See that mouth? He's got to poo. He's trying to smell everybody else's pee, but he's got to go poo. This is normally, so a parking lot's right there, and we go up on the other side and go potty. Thank you, Hunter. A lot of the other dog walkers will come this way. I filmed right up into those trees up there, one of our other secret spots. There's Hunter gonna eat instead of going poo. He's gotta go poo. Hunter, go potty, please. Out. Come on, you had water. I hear kids up in the distance. I gotta keep an eye out for cars coming by. Apartments up there usually have kids. Thank you, Wiley. Hi, Hunter. Thank you, Barney. Look how he's frantically eating that grass. It's almost like he's waiting to get into trouble so he can get told off to go do something else. Watch what happens. I'm gonna semi-oblige him. Hunter! I go get you. I go get you. Oh, you want that instead? Oh, good job. See how he didn't want the ball? He's trying to look for something else to do. What? What did you do? 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 Come on. He's frantic. The more you keep a dog from doing something, the more they're going to want it. Barney. Thank you, Barney. Thank you, Hunter. See how I don't show interest on it? And he actually wants to come over. Would you like one? Yeah, good. Woo. Watch what he does after he gets the ball, though. He's not going to come back. Good boy, Wiley. He didn't even want it. Thank you, Hunter. He's checking in, but notice his face. He needs more. He needs something else. Go ahead, go potty, Hunter. See the double lines on his face? He needs something else. Go ahead, go potty. Ready, Wiley? Hunter. And he likes to go in the bushes, so I will oblige him in going into the bushes. Oblige is my word for the day, apparently. Thank you, Barney. Wiley doesn't have the ball. Thank you. You missed my ball. Let's go find it. Barney. Hunter, where is it? Come help me. Thank you, Barney. Those double lines are increasing. You got your ball? Hold your ball. Thank you, Boily, or Barney. Here it is. I found it. Well, in the other spots, so maybe it's out of habit, but usually he'll run up into the apartments up there, which I don't like. Or he'll run up into the woods up here. This is normally where we go, but since we had the field to ourselves, I figured we'd do something different. I think that's kind of freaking him out. Thank you, Hunter. So I reward behaviors I want repeated. You want to go? Hunter, let's go this way. Wiley. Last one. Wiley. Thank you, Hunter. Barney. We're going this way. Go ahead, go potty. Go, 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 go. See that run? Thank you. That's it. We're done. Come on, Barney. Thank you. We're not going to go far today because Hunter is making it a little bit more difficult. He's very confused in what he wants to do today. You are very confused. Did you get stuck? I had to pee. Thank you. But where did he go? Off to the side where he always goes. That's our trail to go up to our other spot. Barney! Barney! Come on, Wiley. Hunter. If you needed water, the bucket is right outside the car. That was not his immediate need. That's why we're not going to go far. We're going to stay close to get water. Because he's eating frantically. And he's not socializing with the dogs either. But I'm hoping everybody else will go poo first. And we're going to go back to the car. Because he is not paying attention to anything else. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Hunter, let's go. Hunter, out. Hunter. Come on, buddy. They told you. Come on. Out, please. See that frantic look? Come on. Thank you. Back to more grass. So as soon as Barney's done. Barney! Wiley, don't be a copycat. Wiley, let's go, please. Come on. Barney. Mud puddle. See if he goes for grass or mud. Thank you, Hunter. See that took and leave? Look how he gets all hyped up now? Thank you. Wiley, let's go. Out of the grass, please. Hunter. Oh, you found a ball. Good boy. You ready to go get some water? Let's see how he's going out. He's not ready to listen, so he's going back on leash. He's panting harder, and we've been out for 8 minutes. I'm hoping he'll go poo, and then we'll go get water. Thank you. We'll see what happens after he goes poo. Barney, Wiley, over here. Ready? Oh, sorry. I stepped on his leash. You want one? Go get it. Thank you, Hunter. Good boy. See how he's listening a little easier now? Hunter, you want one? Whoa! Whoa! Get it, get it, get it, get it! Good boy. I have to get the ball. There's two. You feel better? See the looser body language? See the tail? Got that need met. For whatever reason, he couldn't go poo. Thank you, Wiley. I gotta go this way anyways. Did you miss? Where'd it go? Go find it. See, look, you walked right over one. Where's the other one? Wiley, where'd it go? Is it over here? Go ahead, find it. I don't know where it went. Good boy, Hunter. You got it. Good boy. Thank you, Hunter. Okay, last one again. Ready? Wiley. Thank you, Hunter. Barney's looking for water. Wait, Hunter, ready? Catch. Oh, so close. Thank you. Have you ever noticed that your dogs actually enjoy the chase of the ball, not the actual catching of the ball? Last one. I think I said that already. It's so funny. Thank you, Barney. Alright, you guys, let's go get some water. Come on, Hunter, let's go get some water. So he went poo. He was eating grass, so he needs water, but his intent to go poo was so much because in the back of the car they have water. Or he didn't want to drink it for whatever reason. Thank you, Wiley. And when we got out, he went pee. Still didn't drink the water. Now he was out constantly eating the grass. Hunter. Now we're going to go back and get water. Hunter. Or he's going to go poo again. Thank you, Wiley. Give me your leash. Thank you, Hunter. Let me get your leash. We'll go back and get some water. If I don't get him his other needs, we can't play. He's going to run around and cause chaos. Barney! So that's my priority. You're only as strong as your weakest link. And right now, if he's not going to pay attention, that's a weak link. Barney's getting water. Barney! Everybody's getting water. Nobody wanted to drink water in the car. Come on, let's go get Barney. I'm sorry, Hunter. Wiley. I don't really like, because we're in the Presidio, and this water isn't the greatest, I don't really like them drinking out of the little creeks and streams and stuff. Barney, I notice it's the bigger, thick grass. Come on, Barney, let's go back. Come on, buddy. Oh, muddy leash. Come on, Hunter. See? Thank you, Hunter. See how quickly he did that? Because he's so anticipating getting pulled back. Hunter, let's go get water. Come on. That's how close he is to needing to get his needs met. I got you, buddy. This way. It is a little warm, but come on, let's go get water. And yeah, I could carry a bowl and a backpack, but I didn't bring a backpack. My bowl's too big, and I gotta carry a gallon of water. I don't carry small bowls for water for dogs because they don't really like that stuff. So we're walking back. This is Scott with Second and No One Canine Life Coaching. Have a great day. Hey, Hunter.